Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn on or off the player info obstruction in Star Rapture. Let's begin by opening the options. Then, in the gameplay section, under the HUD is the player info ignoring collisions. This setting determines whether player info should be visible when other players are hidden behind objects. Toggling this on will result in, well, how should I put this? If your friend or another player hides behind a rock, for example, their name and, for example, other info about them, such as health, etc., will no longer be visible. It will also hide behind the rock and will no longer be visible. With it turned off, it will be visible through the rock, for example. Once you make a choice, simply hit apply, go back, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.